How to reset Whirlpool refrigerator after power outage. Before we jump into the reset process, let's quickly understand what happens to your refrigerator during a power outage. When the power goes out, the fridge's control settings might get a little mixed up, causing it to not function properly once the power is restored. But fear not, because resetting it is easier than you think. Step 1. Unplug and wait. The first thing you want to do is unplug your refrigerator from the power outlet. This step is crucial to give the internal systems a chance to fully discharge. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Plug it back in. Now that we've given the refrigerator a little breather, go ahead and plug it back into the power outlet. Wait for a couple of seconds to ensure that it's properly connected and receiving power. Step 3. Access the control panel. Next up, open the refrigerator door and locate the control panel. This is where you'll be performing the magic reset. Step 4. Reset the control panel. Press and hold to reset. Depending on your model, you'll either find a reset button or a combination of buttons on the control panel. Press and hold the designated buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds. This action will reset the refrigerator's internal systems and get it back to its default settings. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After releasing the reset buttons, give the refrigerator a moment to process the changes. You might hear a beep or see some lights flashing. That's a good sign. It means your refrigerator is reconfiguring itself. Step 6. Check and celebrate. Finally, close the control panel, shut the refrigerator door, and wait a little while. In no time, your Whirlpool refrigerator should start humming back to life, ready to keep your food fresh and your drinks cool once again.